Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to install Google Chrome browser on Windows 10 laptop. So let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your browser. So you have to open your Edge browser. Having opened up your Edge browser, you have to come to the address bar right here. What you want to do is to simply type in Google and then you press enter on your keyboard to search. Then what you want to do is to simply click on the first result right here. So click on google.ng or google.com or what have you. So it takes you to this particular page. Okay, right here, what you need to do is to simply come to the address bar right here and type in download Google Chrome for PC. Then press enter. Just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on the first one right here. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on download Chrome. Just like so. The next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on download Chrome. Then the next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on accept and install. So in a few minutes, your download is going to prepare, just like what you see on the screen right here. So after a successful download the Chrome setup, next thing you want to do is to simply click on open file. Then you can simply minimize your desktop. So just like what you see on the screen right here, your download folder is going to prepare in a few seconds. Okay, so what you need to do is to exercise a little bit patience, allow it to load up. So after a successful download and install, it's going to launch automatically, just like what you see right here. And at the same time, you are going to have the shortcut key of Google Chrome browser on your Windows laptop. So basically, this is how to download, install Google Chrome browser on Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.